Welcome back, gardeners. In today's video, we're focusing on common pests and diseases that affect cucumbers and how you can manage them organically. From pests like cucumber beetles to diseases like powdery mildew, we've got effective strategies to keep your cucumber plants healthy. Some of the most common pests for cucumbers include cucumber beetles, aphids, and caterpillars. These pests can damage leaves, stunt growth, and even transmit diseases. One of the best organic solutions is to use row covers early in the season to protect young plants before pests arrive. You can also introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs or lacewings to keep aphid populations in check. Cucumbers can also be susceptible to fungal diseases like powdery mildew and downy mildew, which cause white or yellow spots on the leaves. To prevent these diseases, make sure your plants have good air circulation by spacing them properly and avoiding overhead watering. Neem oil or baking soda sprays are effective organic treatments if mildew starts to develop. Preventative care goes a long way in managing pests and diseases. Regularly inspect your plants for early signs of problems and remove any damaged leaves or infected plants. Mulching around your cucumber plants can help retain moisture and prevent soil-borne diseases. Consistent watering at the base of the plants also helps keep leaves dry, reducing the risk of disease. With these organic pest and disease management strategies, you can protect your cucumber plants and enjoy a healthy, productive harvest. Stay tuned for more gardening tips, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more advice. Happy growing!